Welcome to Spring Lib.
If you do a two-column proof, you can state everything that was given. I'm not going to write it all, but that should be your first reason. First statement reason is the given. But let's digest what all is given. We know that NM is parallel to OQ. We know that NM is congruent to OQ. We know that NR is perpendicular to MP, and OP is perpendicular to MP. Okay, so let's say angle NRM and angle OPQ are right angles. This would be by the definition of perpendicular. To be perpendicular means to make right angles. And then this would mean angle NRM is congruent to angle OPQ because all right angles are congruent to each other. That's the right angle congruence theorem. I'm abbreviating here. The right angle congruence theorem says that all right angles are congruent to each other. We want to say that they are congruent. And if the pair of lines are parallel, then we have angles NMR congruent to OQP because those are corresponding angles. Again, angle NMR would be congruent to angle OQP. Corresponding angles are congruent. You probably have a theorem about it, but it has to do with the fact that they're corresponding. And then we have two pairs of angles and two pairs of corresponding angles and a pair of corresponding sides that are congruent. So now we can say triangle NMR is congruent to the full triangle OQP, and that would be by angle, angle, side. And this would mean that NR is congruent to OP. We can prove what we wanted to prove, and that is because all the corresponding parts of those congruent triangles are congruent. C, P, C, T, C. Oh, that's helpful.